Very few Americans are ever approached to participate in a clinical research study. We need to engage potential participants in all the places where they live, work, shop, and get their care.
To me, the success of clinical trials, and I'm not alone in sharing this idea, is that we go to what we call a learning health system, where every person's experience contributes to greater knowledge of how to treat them and the next person.
A clinical trial is a way of leaving your legacy through your story, your data, your participation in research studies, and that knowledge going to the future.
If we want to solve evidence generation, if we want to do really good clinical trials, we have to bring the various organisations that have a common interest in generating that evidence, we have to bring them together.
FasterCures created ENRICH-CT to create a learning environment for organizations.
To get to changes in the way we do clinical trials, we need to make sure those clinical trials reflect the priorities in the communities and the capabilities in healthcare organizations in those communities to support clinical trials.
Part of the real value of ENRICH-CT is providing the platform around which we can begin to have a national conversation about how do we put infrastructure in communities where nothing exists. There are marginalized communities where we have to build infrastructure because we owe it to each other. By public policy, we owe it to each other.
There are new technologies and innovations that are coming out with CRISPR-Cas9, stem cell research. All of this is going to need clinical trials, and they need everyone to participate.
You can get the best solutions and the most enduring solutions that work for everyone when you involve everyone in the discussions of how you're going to get to the solutions.
When I think about ENRICH-CT and the momentum that they have, along with the passionate individuals that are part of this program, we have the ability to reframe how clinical research is viewed, not only in our healthcare systems, but also in our communities. And by reframing the importance of clinical research, it helps us to really overcome those barriers that we've been struggling with for a very long time.
ENRICH-CT can really help in widening the circle of understanding beyond that narrow group of people to many organizations that actually could participate in the enterprise if they had the knowledge.
ENRICH-CT is here to see those organizations through. It's not just about meeting the moment, it's about meeting you along your journey.